What's going on, World Wide Web? It's your boy, Marlon O'Bennett, the original student of the game of internet marketing. It was the night or 3 weeks before Christmas, and all through the house, not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse. Guys, it is exactly 12:25 a.m. on the East Coast here in Gaitherssburg, Maryland, guys. And guess what? I'm shooting a video, right? I'm shooting a video, guys, because I want to talk about how we got the year 2019 is rolling up. It's spawned us, guys. It's here, right? It's getting ready to come. And so I want to talk about making money online in the year 2019 and beyond, right? That's what I want to talk about tonight in this video, guys. It's really quiet. Everybody's asleep. It's one of the best times I like to shoot videos. So I got an incredible treat for you guys tonight, because I know that there are thousands of people searching right online, and they're asking themselves this question. Let me find my frame, guys. They're asking themselves, how can I work from home and make money on the internet? If you're asking yourself, how can I work from home and make money on the internet, it's because you type that into your browser in YouTube, right? And you're looking for an answer to that question, right? And I'm going to give you the answer to it right now, guys. The way that you can make money working from home on the internet in the year 2019 and beyond, guys, is by becoming a problem solver, okay? By becoming a problem solver, right? Hey, and by becoming a solver, what you need, right? You need a product or service, right? Or business opportunity, right, in order to become a problem solver. I'm going to simplify this in the simplest way I possibly can, right? In order, okay, if you can become a problem solver, if you can show enough people how to get what it is they want in life, guys, you truly can get what it is you want in life, right? So, in order to become a problem solver, you need a product, a service, or business opportunity, right? You need something, right, that's going to make you money, right? That particularly one that solves a particular want, need, or desire, right? I.e., let's look at some examples, guys, of solving problems. There are people who need t-shirts designed, right? There are people who need websites built. There are people who need help with losing weight. There are people who want to learn a new language, people who want to learn to play the guitar. And most importantly, guys, and what we're talking about, because this is the niche that I am, people who are looking for ways to make money online, right? If you can solve a problem, guys, you can truly make money online, okay? I'm saying down here, right? If you have a product and a service that caters to any of these people, right? A product or service that caters to any of them, weight loss, I don't care, learn how to play music, whatever it is, you can make money online. But let's stick to the niche that we're in, right? If you guys have been on my YouTube videos, you've heard me say 1,000 times, there are 200,000 plus brand new people coming online every single day. Look at that, guys. I feel like crying. I gotta eat cry. Hey, every single day, 200,000 plus brand new people are coming online, and they already desperately searching for ways to make money online, guys. Look at that, guys. I dropped my M there. Don't worry about the misspellings. Worry about the message. Anyway, guys, there are really truly over 200,000 plus brand new people coming online every single day looking for ways to make money online. And like I said before, guys, if you can help enough of those people get what it is they want in life, then you can truly get what it is you want in life, right? But in order to get started, you need a website, right, to market the products and services, right? And to make your business profitable, you need exposure, right? And there's two ways to get exposure for your business, guys. There's free exposure and there's paid exposure. But let's back up for just a minute, because why do we need exposure anyway? Okay, in order to make that business profitable, you got to get exposure. In other words, you got to get eyeballs on your business, right? You have to let people know that you're in business, and the way that you let people know that you're in business is by getting in front of them. Okay, seriously. So let's talk about the different ways that you can get exposure for your business. If you've been online for a little while, or even if you're brand new, that's even better, because we refer to that most often as traffic and leads, okay? Traffic and leads are the way that you get exposure for your business, right? And again, there are two ways to do it. You can do it a free way, and you can do it a paid way, right? The only free way I actually really use is YouTube. in most of the other strategies I use for getting exposure for my business are through paid. But don't let that don't get afraid, guys. And don't let that scare you, because there are a lot of cheap and expensive ways to generate lots of traffic, right, to your website, right? There are various strategies that you can use for generating traffic, but in a lot of most of the ones I'm going to be talking about, and the ones that you're going to actually be able to get access to, are actually paid strategies, but they don't have to break it. Okay, you don't have to. I think a lot of people, they get afraid when they start thinking about business because they think they got to spend money. But let me tell you this, guys. You're right. You're going to have to spend some money, okay? I don't care how you look at that, right? There's no way around that. You're going to have to spend some money. And you shouldn't be so offended by that anyway. And I have no compunction about telling people that they have to spend money. I don't know what make people think that they can get something for nothing. But guys, I don't have to tell you guys that. You already know you can get something for nothing. So yeah, you're going to have to spend some money, but you don't have to break the bank when you do it. But let's look at some of the various ways you can get those eyeballs on your particular business opportunity, guys. The different strategies, for generating traffic and leads. You got Craigslist advertising. Right now, as we speak, I have 7 ads running on Craigslist. I'm getting ready to modify those ads, right? Because now, guys, I got a new traffic and lead generating strategy that I'm getting ready. I got all these spellers here that I'm getting ready to show you guys. And you want to stay plugged into this channel because you're going to simply love it, okay? But Craigslist is one of the places where I run advertising. Very inexpensive, right? Newspaper classifieds, online classifieds, very powerful. And let me just tell you this, guys, it's no secret. You can actually outsource your classified ad placement, right? I'm talking about bulk classified ad placement, right? Which is something else that I'm doing. So very powerful, right? Doesn't have to cost an arm and a leg, but you can actually get your ads, right, redirecting to your business opportunity for literally pennies on the dollar with bulk classified advertising that you can actually have outsourced, right? But we're going to talk more about that too. YouTube videos, they're great, guys. I got over 1,000 videos on YouTube. Facebook ads, something I never tried before. So ads, just finished running one the other day, right? There are countless thousands of ways to get business, or should I say, to get eyeballs on your business. And here's the thing. A lot of people get afraid. They don't know. They think, guys, at the end of the day, right, all we doing is setting up automated marketing systems. Once they're set up, which with everything that I do basically can be set up within a day, right? And that's on the far end. But here's the beauty of it. Once they're set up, all you really doing now is concentrating on the different tactics and strategies to run traffic into your website, to get those eyeballs on it, right? Not very hard to do, guys. Very easy to do, right? And so the ways and means that you can go about getting that traffic, it's just so many. But you need the training, right? If you don't know how to do it, for instance, I'm gonna use Craigslist for instance. I didn't know how to place ads on Craigslist, right? Without them getting flagged and ghosted or whatever. I know how to do that now, right? All my ads are still on Craigslist, and it's gonna be 10 times that many on Craigslist when the new year comes, right? And I'm gonna continue to do it, and I'm gonna tell you guys why in a minute. But the point is, it doesn't have to cost a lot, and when you know how to do it, you can automate it, right? That's what this is all about, right? So we talked about those different strategies and everything for generating traffic, because that's really all you need. And I know that it's been overcomplicated so many times. I overcomplicated it my own self, in my own mind. And I almost stopped before I saw the miracle happen. And that's what happens to a lot of people that come online. They stop before they see the miracle happen. Why? Because they go out and they place a Craigslist ad, or they go out and they do a soul ad, and they don't see the fruit of their labor fast enough, right? So they get discouraged and they quit. Guys, you need to hang around long enough for the miracle to happen. What do I mean by that? I mean, you need to be building a list, guys. Let me scroll down here a little bit. I set this up. I'm showing off tonight. We're going to click this text right here and move to the next screen, guys. Check this out. I want you guys to see this. If that goes. Guys, tonight, right, or any night, anytime you guys are serious about, getting in the game, right, and making money online, not only in the year 2019, but beyond, get yourself affiliated with a company that's going to give you your own website, right, where you can go out and get your own automated marketing system and a sales funnel, because this automates the entire process. Now, we're solving problems for people, right? Because we already know, we talked about the 200,000 plus brand new people coming online looking for ways to make money online, right? We already know they're out there. They're out there, guys. But what we do, right, with the group of people that I'm affiliated with inside the Fearless Mom and also inside the $25 one-up program, and there are a couple of more things that I do that I don't talk about that much, but, well, doesn't matter. Guys, all the training that you need, right, in terms of how to go out and place an effective Craigslist ad, how to go out and place a solo ad with vendors and people who are going to put you in front of those countless thousands of people coming online every day that you can rely on, right? We're talking about solo ad socials that work, bulk classified advertising, right? The list goes on and on and on in terms of what we give you inside of this mama. Now, it's about training, right? It's about teaching yourself how to position yourself in front of those people. Now, when you get your own website, it's going to look exactly like the one you're looking at right now, right? We're talking about a $250 commission here, okay? A $250 commission. Guys, I wish I need to upgrade my Screencast-O-Matic because 15 minutes is not enough. It lapsed. I forgot to pay it. I didn't need to pay it so I could get it again because that's why my videos are so short. But anyway, you're going to end up with a website, right, that looks exactly like this one when you join the Fearless Mama. But it doesn't. It just gets better and better and better. Because again, guys, I don't care what it is you're going to do, what it is you're going to decide to do, you're going to need the proper environment. You're going to need the proper training, right, in terms of how we go about using different techniques and tactics and strategies in terms of getting that exposure for our business. Because again, at the end of the day, that's all it's all about. It's about exposure, okay? The more people you can get to see or get in front of and show your website to, guys, the more money you can make, right? But again, it starts with list building, right? You guys heard my series, Build a List, Build a Business. Rather than worry initially right out the block about how much money you can make, concentrate on building your list, guys. And so that's what we teach, right, inside of these platforms, okay? We teach you how to build a list, right? Because if you can build a list, you can build a business, okay? I know you guys heard 1,000 times the money's in the list and the fortune's in the follow-up, and it really, really, really is true, guys. And again, just because you start a process and you don't see the miracle happen, or you don't see the fruit of what you think your labor is within the first 30 days or whatever, don't get discouraged, guys, because it happens, right? As you start to build your list, let me say this before I close this video out. Now, I'm telling you guys this from experience. I didn't see a lot of things happening when I wanted to see them happen, right? They weren't happening fast enough for me, right? And there were times when I was like, I'm done with this. I'm not going to do it anymore. But I started building my list early on. So I was always building my list. I'd run traffic. The traffic wasn't no good. Nothing would happen. But here's what did happen, guys, over time. Started building my list bigger and bigger and bigger. Then, guys, when I least expected it, I started seeing sales coming in from places that I even forgot about that are running. That's how this happens, guys. Everybody's not going to buy something the very first time they see it. But by building your list, guys, and which is what we teach you how to do inside the Fearless Mama, as well as the $25 one-up system, you're going to learn how to build a list. And if you can build a list, I'll say it again, you can build a business. So for anybody who's serious about looking for ways to make money working from home, right, on the internet, making money in the year 2019 and beyond, there's going to be a link in the YouTube video description. Now, let me see, can I find this page? I'm going to leave this link right here in the YouTube video description area, so you guys will actually get to see exactly how this particular business model is set up. And you're going to get to understand exactly how you can have the actual automated marketing system and sales funnel that you're looking at right now. Everything that you see when you opt in is going to be the exact same thing. You're going to have a complete replica of that's going to do the exact same thing for you. Okay, so again, if you're looking for a way to make money in the year 2018, 19, and beyond, and you want to get the training that you need, because you need training. You need to be in a community, again, surrounded by people who think like you do, who want what you want. If you can do that, guys, you can make money from home. I'm all out of time, guys. I'm going to have to continue this video in another video. Anyway, this is your boy, Marlon Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle.